FOMO, 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 the fear of missing out. Legendary investor and former gold hater Warren Buffett finally got religion and understands the importance of gold as an asset class. And FOMO is this fear of missing out is a big word that's important in young people and social media, and they're so paranoid about being left out. And the same thing happens in investing. Now maybe we're going to get a game changer with all those talking heads in Wall Street that are so negative on gold. Why is it game changer for me is that Berkshire Hathaway bought the second largest gold producer, Barrick Gold, and purchased almost 21 million shares in the last quarter. This is over $500 million investment. It's a great company. I know the CEO, chairman exceptionally well. I was involved with the company when it first went public back when I lived in Canada. So this is a game changer because Warren Buffett has always cautioned against gold, saying that the metal is not a producing asset. It doesn't produce a yield. Interesting enough, neither did Berkshire Hathaway ever produce a dividend. But not buying gold, he is buying a gold stock. And the correlation of gold stocks with bullion is extremely high. He's buying Barrick because it has free cash flow. It doesn't have a huge growth profile. I don't understand why he's not buying Franco-Nevada, which has the royalties on gold, on Barrick's assets in Nevada. But nevertheless, Warren Buffett is the world's greatest investor. However, he's human, and he missed Amazon. He laments about it. He missed Google, and even Bitcoin he talks trash about. But being one of the smartest investors, said he just didn't understand it, what was taking place at what Jeff Bezos was doing at Amazon. And recently jumped out of the airlines. And IBD said that he left $2.7 billion on the table, whereas Robinhood investors came in and they enjoyed the first 50% surge in the airlines industry. So let's talk about this. This is very important for investors to recognize that times are changing. Gold is through 2000, but the unprecedented money printing, not just in America, but the G20 finance ministers globally and central bankers are just printing money and debasing all paper money. And so gold is taking on this sort of unique store of wealth, but it's also the gold stocks is where the big money is going to be made, especially disciplined management like Barrick has, generating free cash flow. I wrote about this back in September of 2018 with another gold hater, and may he rest in peace, Jack Bogle, the founder of Vanguard. Their shop went anti-gold. They were a big seller of gold stocks in the last quarter of 2018. They switched out of gold. They sold Gold Fund as the cheapest way to buy gold stocks. So I think it's interesting that we're seeing game-changing taking place, and gold as an asset class. 10% is fair and reasonable. Rebalancing once a year or once a quarter is also rational and intelligent in a diversified portfolio. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and please subscribe to our YouTube. Happy investing and go gold.